I'm going to show you how I made that one snack, that one little lunch thing I did a couple of days ago. So here's the rice. Make sure you have like some rice stored away. Like let's say you have leftover rice from, dinner and all that. Make sure you use that. Now you don't have to worry about making rice unless you want to, but you can just use the rice you have left over. And then over here, you want to get yourself some hot dogs. These are the Barnes. Not Barnes, but ballpark bun size, and you could use a knife if you want to, or you could just do what I'm about to do, and that's essentially just break them apart, if you will. You could just break them apart like this, just put them onto the rice bowl, if you will. Just put it onto the rice, as you can see I'm doing. Just break them apart, and put them on the rice and everything, and just do as many as you want to, like fill up the top, in my opinion. Just fill up the top and everything with plenty of hot dogs, so that way it turns out to be something really nice and everything. So you do that. If you have one left over, just put it back, if you will. Save that for like a later time. And then put the hot dogs in a sealable bag like this. And then you take your cheese. It could be any kind of cheese you want, and sprinkle it in there. Be very careful. Be very careful of how you do it. But you can put any cheese on there, as you can tell, as I'm showing you right there. You can put any cheese you want, and everything. Spread it out as much as you can. And basically, when you're done doing that, and that should be plenty right there to spread it out, if you will. When you're done, then what you do is you seal up the cheese and everything. If you will, pick up any scraps you might have, add those in, cheese-wise, string cheese. You don't have to use string cheese, but I think it's more easier to do, and all that. And then what you do, you bring it over to your microwave right here. You bring it over to the microwave right here, and then what you do is you put it in. Now, depending on the kind of microwave you have, we have a 700 watt one here, the Hamilton Beach. But depending on which microwave you use, and its wattage and all that, you could just, for me, I go for like 4 minutes on this. But if you have like a 1,000 watt one, you can go basically, a lot shorter than that. But at the end, it should be all melted and everything, be just like I showed you before. And I'll probably hook that here at the end of the video. But guys, I just wanted to show you, kind of make up for the fact that I did show you what I made, but I didn't, show you how I made it. So yeah, just a little quick hot dog, cheese, rice combo lunch, if you will, to pass the day. And it's even something that you can make before you go to work, and then you can put it into whatever storage container you have, and you should be good to go. But that's all I can say, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you like the idea. And until then, I am out.